For today, we're going to go over that's just the basic estate plan of these three items: the designated beneficiaries, and then the will and medical directive. A will. So we've all heard of a will. So a will is pretty basic. It only does three things. It directs, tells the probate court who the beneficiaries are for the estate and how to distribute those assets. So it'd be the probate assets that would be going through there. It names a guardian for any minor children. And then it also names an executor or a personal representative. So this is the person basically making sure all the assets go where they need to go, closes the estate, does all those things. And so that's the only thing a will does. It's just these three things. And so I do want to talk a little bit about executors, personal representatives, and some states call them that. They do a ton. So you may have had to be an executor for someone. I know when I was putting my estate plan together, this is the hardest part for me to figure out who I wanted to do this. And so they have to, manage and locate, accounts and assets. They have to actually submit the will to probate court. They need to continue maybe paying bills for a while and notify all the beneficiaries and splitting up accounts if that's what's necessary, and then file that last tax return and resolve any disputes with the estate and finalize it. So it's quite a lot. And many states actually pay. The executors can get paid for this. You can also find a corporate executor that companies that can be that role for you can either identify someone that is you actually know, and then let them know, hey, work with this corporate entity to help you along, help you with this process, just to make it easy, because it is a lot to do. The medical directive. Okay, so this is also called a living will. This is, you identify who you want to make those medical decisions for you if you're incapacitated, right? You're in hospital or just not able to make those decisions for yourself. It also gives, people permission to your medical information if you want to. Like sometimes maybe there's friends that you want to also be in on the loop on your medical information to be part of the decision making, but ultimately, the person that you identified will make that decision for you. And then finally, share your wishes, right? Share your wishes for if you want, life sustaining care. Good to share your wishes here. That